This year, MobileMuster turns 21. This is how many phones they recycled 21 years ago. And this is how many they've recycled just this year. And this is everything in between.
What happens to your phone when it's recycled?
Established in 1998, when mobiles looked like this, and our mascot looked like this. In a time when the only thing to do with your old phone was to store it or bin it. But since then, they have grown with new members, engaged with more partners, and collected millions of mobiles. With more than 3,500 drop-off points, plus a free post-back option, almost 1,500 tonnes of mobile phone accessories and components have been recycled. That's equal to 250 African elephants, or 8,823,529 avocados. So, what has all this meant?
We've reduced CO2 emissions.
Conserved raw materials.
We've made a real impact.
MobileMuster has come a long way. In 2014, the program was accredited by the federal government under the Product Stewardship Act for addressing the environmental impacts of mobile phones across their full life cycle.
The accreditation provides confidence to consumers that their old mobiles will be recycled the right way and to the highest environmental standards.
So, MobileMuster recycles phones. We get that, but did you know that they've given over $1 million to social causes to motivate more of us to recycle?
These partnerships have helped plant a forest of trees and also help those in need.
Yep, MobileMuster have made great achievements, but it doesn't stop here. Extending the life of mobile products and components is a growing trend.
And it's up to us as consumers to continue this circular economy.
3 in 4 Australians are aware that they can recycle their mobile phones, and more are learning thanks to our award-winning education programs.
So, keep up the good work, because this is just the beginning. Do good for tomorrow. Recycle your old mobile today.